It was a sunny Saturday afternoon when I bought a pair of shoes I really liked. They looked great in the store. They felt comfortable. The price was okay. I tried them on, walked a few steps, and said, "I'll take them." But when I got home and wore them for an hour, something changed. The left shoe started hurting my heel. The back was too stiff, and worse, the sole was already making a squeaky sound. I sighed. I need to return these. But here's the thing. I was living in an English-speaking country, and the return process would be in English. I had never done that before. I had no idea what to say. Returning something in your native language can already feel awkward. You worry about sounding rude or like you're complaining. Doing it in another language, it's even trickier. But I decided to go anyway. Before leaving home, I practiced a few sentences out loud. I wanted to keep it polite, clear, and calm. This is what I came up with. "Hi, I bought these yesterday and I'd like to return them." "They don't fit quite right. Is it possible to get a refund or exchange?" Simple, direct, friendly. When I walked into the store, the cashier smiled and said, "Hi there. Can I help you?" I nodded. "Yes, I bought these shoes yesterday, but they don't fit very well. I'd like to return them, if that's okay." She asked, "Do you have the receipt?" I handed it to her. "Yes, here it is." She looked at it, then checked the shoes quickly. "Sure, we can process a return. Would you like the money back on your card or would you prefer store credit?" I smiled in relief. "Money back to my card, please." And just like that, it was done. No stress, no confusion, just a calm, clear conversation. After that, I started writing down useful English phrases for everyday situations like this. Let me share some with you now. How to start a return conversation. "Hi, I'd like to return this, please. I bought this yesterday, 2 days ago, last week, and there's a problem with it. Is it possible to return this?" Explaining the reason. "It doesn't fit. It's damaged. I changed my mind. There's a defect. I found it cheaper somewhere else." If you want to be a bit softer, you can say, "It's not quite what I expected. It's a bit uncomfortable. I realized I don't really need it." Asking about options. "Can I get a refund? Can I exchange it for something else? Do you offer store credit? What's your return policy? Do I need the original packaging?" Responding to the cashier. "Yes, I have the receipt right here." "No, I didn't open it. It hasn't been used." "I understand. That's okay. Thank you for your help." Let's imagine another real conversation. "Hi, I'd like to return this jacket. It's too big for me. Do you have the receipt?" "Yes, I do. Here it is." "Would you like to exchange it for a smaller size?" "Actually, I'd prefer a refund if possible." "No problem. We'll refund it to your card." Easy, natural, professional. Now, let's say you don't have the receipt. You can say, "I don't have the receipt, but I paid with my card. Is it possible to return this without the receipt? Can I still exchange it?" Some stores may say no, some may offer store credit, but asking clearly increases your chances. Here's one more situation. You ordered something online. It arrived damaged. You call customer service. What do you say? "Hi, I received a package today, but the item is broken. The product is damaged. I'd like to return it. Can you help me with a Return or exchange? Do you send a return label? How long does the refund take? Customer service conversations can be stressful, so write a short script before calling. Practice it out loud. Confidence grows with repetition. If you're nervous, start with this sentence. I'm still learning English, so I hope that's okay, but I'd like to return this. Most people will be patient and when they know you're trying. Returning something at a store doesn't have to be stressful, even in English. The key is to be polite, clear, and calm. Here's a mini checklist for success. Know why you're returning the item. Bring your receipt if possible. Use short, simple sentences. Be honest, not apologetic. Practice your words before you go. This is everyday English. Real situations, real problems, real practice. So next time something doesn't fit or doesn't work or just doesn't feel right, don't be afraid. Speak up, ask clearly, return with confidence, practice out loud, try different styles, and soon it will feel completely natural. Thank you for practicing with me today. See you in the next lesson.